Hi, I'm Derek with Spiffy, and I want to tell you, Pastor, I want to tell you, ministry leader, how you can get the most out of your website and make your website really work for what the key thing for the church is. It's making disciples. A website that doesn't help us make disciples is not really as great of an asset as what we really need in the church today. So I can help you get there. I have a free video course that you can take. It's going to tell you about the three types of people who visit your website: the insider, the person from your church; the shopper, the person who's looking for a church; and the seeker, the person who is just really looking for spiritual answers. And they've come to your church's website to find them. What do you have to say to them? I'm also going to teach you the 6 things that every church website really needs to do and the 3 things that it should never try to do. So all this is available in the video course. It's free. You can sign up right here on this website.